In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pull-down menu in a Tableau dashboard. Whether you're crafting complex reports or just need a simple interactive element, this guide will help you create that polished look on your dashboard. To start, you'll need to launch Tableau on your desktop or laptop. Make sure it's installed and ready to go. It's always a good idea to ensure your Tableau version is up to date to make use of the latest features and improvements. Once you've launched Tableau, you will be connecting a data source. Your data source can be anything from Excel spreadsheets, Google Sheets, or a variety of databases that you might be using. Connecting the right dataset is crucial because it forms the foundation of your dashboard. If your data changes frequently or is live, consider setting up a connection that updates automatically to maintain accuracy over time. With your data source connected, it's time to get into the fun part. Setting up the filter. Choose a dimension you want to filter by. This could be something like region or category, depending on what makes sense for your analysis. Drag that dimension to the filters shelf on your worksheet. This step is key as it sets the stage for building your interactive menu. By filtering a dimension, you're essentially telling Tableau to create a subset of data based on the criteria you define. Right-click the field on the filters shelf and select Show Filter. This action will make the filter visible on your worksheet, which is essential for the next steps. It's always a good idea to preview how your filter affects the data on your sheet to ensure that everything functions as intended and the right values are filtered. Next, navigate to your dashboard. Your filter will now appear there, but it might be showing as a list. This can take up unnecessary space, especially if you have many items in your filter. So, to make it a pull-down menu, click the drop-down arrow on the filter that appears. This is where you'll have the chance to change how the filter elements are displayed, and moving from a list to a drop-down can make your dashboard more navigable and visually pleasing. To finalize, select either Multiple Values, drop-down, or Single Value, drop-down, to change the filter's appearance from a list to a drop-down menu. The choice between multiple values and single value depends on your need for the analysis. Multiple values allow for multi-selection, giving users the flexibility to filter by several items at once. This conversion to a drop-down not only makes your dashboard look cleaner, but also provides users with a convenient way to interact with your data. And there you have it, a pull-down menu created seamlessly in your Tableau dashboard. This small feature adds a tremendous amount of professionalism and usability to your dashboard, enhancing the overall experience for anyone who engages with your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel free to revisit it whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and happy creating with Tableau.